Hi, welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to be making a meatless loaf.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.
First thing we're going to do is chop up 2 large or 3 small celery. Jimmy's chopping for me right now. Then we're going to chop up 2 medium carrots. And save the tears for last and chop up 1 medium white or yellow onion. Now to the pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped up garlic. You can get fresh if you want, but I'm just using some I have. Then I'm going to mix it all up and I'm going to saute it on medium-high heat for about 7 minutes. And now to a bowl, I'm going to add 2 cans of drained chickpeas. And then we're going to mash up the chickpeas about halfway. What I mean is you want to break them open, but you don't want to mush them. Like, we're not going to put them in the food processor or anything like that. All right, so I'm going to go back and check on my veggies. Oh yeah, they're getting done. Looking good. All right, so I'm going to take them off now. Now I'm going to add the vegetables, the sauteed vegetables, to the bowl of my chickpeas. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, plus 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then we're going to mix it up. Okay, this is kind of hard. It's hard to mix it like this. I think I'm just going to mix it with my hands. Oh yeah, much better. Once we have it all mixed up, we're going to put it in our loaf pan. And we're going to want to press it down really good. And then I'm going to wrap it in foil and I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 375 degrees. While it's in the oven, I'm going to make the optional glaze, which consists of 1/3 cup of ketchup and a teaspoon of the Worcestershire sauce. And I'm gonna mix it up. Now this is completely optional. 25 minutes is up. I'm going to take it out of the oven and I'm going to apply the glaze. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven without the foil on it for another 10 minutes at 375. So the 10 minutes is up. I'm taking it out and I'm going to try to get a piece. I'm trying to make this look pretty. But I don't know if I'm doing that right. I'm just kind of making it look sloppy because I went for the middle, which looked like the best piece. But we'll see. Oh yeah, it looks good. Let's get another piece on there. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. I'm so hungry. Let's put some parsley on it. Make it look really good. Wow. This looks so good. I'm so excited. Here you go. Here's a bite for you. Here you go. Open up. If you guys could please comment below what your favorite side is when you eat meatloaf. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Please don't eat me. I'm just a little cute little piggy. I just want to be your